Hi. In today's video we will see an example of how to transpose a row data in Excel into column or vice versa in UiPath Studio. I have already drag and dropped the sequence activity and connected it with Start to make it as Start node. Now, double-click on the created sequence activity. Drag and drop an Excel application scope activity. It opens an Excel workbook and allows us to do certain tasks using Excel activities, and when the execution is completed it closes the workbook. Click on the folder icon to browse for the Excel workbook. Click on Open. In the Do section, add and click activity. Click on Indicate on screen. Click on cell A1. Drag and drop Send Hotkey activity and click on Indicate on screen. Again select cell A1. Check the Control keys checkbox and type key as A. This step will select the used cells in Excel file. Drag and drop another Send Hotkey activity and click Indicate on screen. Click on cell A1 this time too. Check the Control keys checkbox and type key as C. This step will copy the selected cells of the previous steps. Next, drag and drop the click activity and click on Indicate on screen. Click on Sheet 2. This step will open the Sheet 2 in Excel so that we can paste the transpose table in it. Again drag and drop a click activity and click on Indicate on screen. Pressing F2 will help us to halt our selection so that we can open a specific area without selecting it. Switch to Sheet 2 and then select the cell from where you want to place your transpose matrix. I selected cell A2. Drag and drop a click activity and select Indicate on screen. Click on the drop-down arrow of Paste section. Again repeat the process of dragging and dropping the click activity and clicking on Indicate on screen. As you can see, we are not getting the required option to paste the data in the format that we need. So we will go back to Sheet 1 and press Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C to just keep the data in clipboard. Now jump back to Sheet 2 and check all the options in under the Paste tab. You will now see many different options. Now we will click on Indicate on screen. Halt the selection by pressing F2 to open the drop-down of Paste tab. Select the Transpose option. Drag and drop the Send Hotkey activity and click on Indicate on screen. Click on any cell. Check the Control keys checkbox and type key as S. This will save the updated Sheet 2's data. Go back to Sheet 1 and unselect the selected cells. Click on Run File from Debug File dropdown. As you can see, the automation process took place accurately and data got saved as we wanted. As you can see, it also works if the data is given in reverse order. If you liked this content, make sure to like the video and subscribe this channel for more such content.